Finally fixed my oil pan. It's definitely not the most ideal.
Yo.
What?
That was bad.
Shut up.
Can't spin the blades easily.
Is it like that for the backside too? Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh, jeez.
I wasn't.
What does this mean? Oh, it's the man himself. Cam, what you eating there? Well, Cam's back. You're back.
We're back. We're all back. We're all back. As you guys know, I already talked to my sponsors. I got the okay on this. I'm literally so motivated. After working on the demo car, I have like so much more confidence. And like honestly, this swap looks pretty clean when you first look at it, but like the skeletons of this swap are not the prettiest, because like I said, when I was building this car, I was literally learning how to wrench, so it's definitely not the most efficient swap, I will say. So I really just want to like kind of clean this swap up. I want to get the car retuned. I want to run E85. I want to make more horsepower. I want to shoot more flames. Whoa. So that's what we're gonna do. And I have some help. My friend Steven is actually gonna help me out. He's actually swapped a JZ into a 350Z before, so I hit him up and I was like, you want to help me swap my car in 3 weeks and get it back up and running? And he was like, yeah. So well, Steven's here.
How can anyone deny you with that voice? The Cam voice.
I also offered Starbucks, but Steven doesn't drink Starbucks.
Steven!
Steven's here.
Hi.
We're already here.
Howdy. It's good to see you again, man.
Same.
I told Bree when she had hit me up if you were going to be working on this project. I'm totally in.
Yeah. Can't wait to get started.
Yeah? Are we going to do that anytime soon? Or?
Well, yeah, we should just put that on a time lapse so we can start taking the engine out.
Okay, so it took us maybe like a day last time, right, to take it out?
Yeah.
How long do you think it's going to take this time?
I want to get this. I want to get this done in one friggin' episode. Are you down?
Yeah.
Do one episode?
Yes.
One episode? All right.
Yeah.
Turn on the time lapse. Let's go.
What's crazy right now is you're working while still working.
I hate it.
What are you uploading?
Episode 6.
Episode 6
Episode
of the
6.
demo card.
Of the demo car,
I
yeah.
wonder if these people who are watching remember that.
Posting to HelmetHairr right now as we speak. Did it go?
Oh,
it went.
It's up.
It's up. There it is. Sick. Okay, now I can work.
It's a nice day out.
Yeah, it's hot. Kind of.
I agree.
Yeah.
It's not a good sound to hear from your turbo.
What? What's going on?
Can't really spin this thing too well.
What?
I'm actually gonna stop because I don't want to cause more damage. But
Oh shit. Dude, I can barely push it.
What?
did you try clocking at the track or something, or?
Yeah, we did have to clock it at the track. It's fine. I wanted a smaller turbo anyway.
It's true, but unfortunately,
Wow.
I was hoping to buy this one after. You know?
Oh, damn it!
What happens now?
First time I decided to touch it, even though it's been out like this for a while.
You know what's crazy is nobody caught that at the track. Nobody even looked at your turbo. Oh, but wait, didn't they take it apart at the track?
No, we didn't take it apart. We just we clocked it a little bit. But
I thought you. Oh, that's right. It was the housing or the bell housing you guys took apart, something like that.
Is it still loose? Clocking?
it might. Yes.
So maybe it just
So
didn't
maybe
get put
it's
back
that.
together, right?
Okay, yeah, if it's not fully tight, then it'll scrape. So.
Okay, so
So this was a waste of film. Great. Jeez,
that's
that doesn't look good.
yeah. This is the main reason why I want to take this car apart. Literally, so this is just an O2 sensor. This is for an O2 sensor, and this was right next to the exhaust side of my turbo. And when I took my turbo off, I realized this, and I was like, I'm a walking fire hazard. Honestly, this being like that apparent that quickly, I was just like, you know what? I don't even want to know what the rest of this car looks like, so I'm just gonna tear it apart, bring Steven, the wiring expert, and the JZ expert, and we're gonna put it back together. Better than ever.
Steven, the wiring
Don't call me
and
that.
Jay-Z expert.
He said, "Don't call me that."
I don't claim either one of those.
I have learned from the last time that I pulled an engine. Steven had a great idea, and he said, disconnect the wiring harness from the ECU, and then just pull the whole wiring harness with the engine instead of like detaching every single clip from the engine and reattaching it when you get it back in the car. So we're gonna basically take the wiring harness with the engine when we pull the engine, because this is gonna take us like 15 minutes versus that other wiring harness is gonna take us a whole day. So that's why Steven's here. Roll kids are so annoying. Don't do race car things, kids.
All the kids.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. You might be thinking about it watching this video saying, I want a 1JZ swap a 350Z. Do it. Just don't get door bars. I mean, if you're gonna drift and stuff, then yes, get door bars. But like, if you don't need to get door bars, just do a half cage. Honestly. If you don't need X bars.
Wow, that's a nice sticker you have there.
Oh, yes.
Novelty.
We'll see if those are sold out by now. Click the link below. See if they're sold out by now or not.
Merch site.
If not, just DM me. Bother me and ask me if I,
PayPal, Venmo,
yeah, pretty
Cash
much.
App.
Ain't no Cash App.
That's the trap.
No
app.
Cash App. I'm doing Cash App.
Good job, Lynch.
I can tell you right now, I actually don't like these ones, but
Really?
yeah,
I don't blame you, bro.
this is only a 1 ton, so
Oh.
picking these up kind of sucks because also the arm doesn't come out long enough. On my cherry picker, this is basically my second setting.
Whoa!
Oh shit, that's a cherry picker.
Harbor Freight.
Just getting it to be snug for me.
What is this 16th century monarch of a tool, Steven?
So a leveling tool.
Nice.
If you pull more than at least one engine, you should have them.
This is engine number 2 in the past month.
Whoa.
The engine mount, right? Yeah.
No, that was a transmission.
What? Shut up, Dave.
I'm not kidding. What is that thing that...
The drive shaft?
Drive shaft, there you go.
Oh, shit. Good. Alright.
Came out like nothing. Usually you have to struggle to take that thing out.
Why you tell me shut up?
You just connected the power steering cooler?
Yeah. Watch your feet, Bert.
I'm watching.
Backing up, watch your feet.
So we literally just put my engine in my demo car like 2 weeks ago. I literally drove it for the first time this week, and now here I am, MTZ engine bay again. So stoked.
Wow, you are sitting exactly where this thing used to be. How do you feel right now?
I feel like I was just in this spot 2 weeks ago because we literally just got my
It's a
demo
little
car
bit of
running.
deja vu, yeah.
A little bit, but I'm really excited that this engine is finally out of this car, man. Like, it's just such a messy swap. Like, if you look over here, there's a bunch of like random hard lines that aren't really like. Are you looking? There's like they're literally just zip tied together right here. They're zip tied together. This connector doesn't go to anything. There's just a lot of like I said, the skeletons of this car are not super pretty, the skeletons of the swap, so there's a lot of things that I want to clean up in here. This is what immediately caught my attention. I actually had a fuel line pretty recently that was leaking. I literally moved my car out of the garage, and my fuel line was leaking, and it was literally getting all over the place, and that was just like a freaking fire hazard. And then this obviously doesn't look like it's in the best shape of its life. I mean, that's just the shielding, but still. And then it's just, there's a lot of messy stuff. Like, what is this power steering cooler? This thing's not even doing anything. Like, there's so many little things that I want to clean up in this engine bay. I would like to paint this engine bay too, because if you guys see, it's like the faded blue. It's not like a pretty blue.
The sparkles.
I'm gonna do the sparkles. It's gonna be more vibrant. It's gonna be sparkly. That's not what I'm here to do. But yeah, I really need to clean this swap up, and I'm really excited to finally do so and like make sure that I know exactly where everything is, and finally re-get my hands on this car now that I know a little bit of what I'm doing. Cam's sad. Right.
Cam's sad because you didn't let him help.
Yeah.
He's like, Mom, I want to loosen a bolt.
It's okay. You just eat my french fries and I don't eat.
You know why really though is because this man right here just whipped it out in like an hour and a half.
Whipped it out.
Literally.
Oh wow. This man breathe.
Alright, you guys, so we got the engine pulled out of the car today. I honestly don't know what else you want from me. I didn't really expect to get this far because the last time it took me 2 episodes to pull the engine out of the car. And right now, it's only 5 o'clock. And we started at like 12 and we got the engine pulled out of the car already. So, if you guys are thinking about doing a Jay-Z Swap 350Z, this is kind of the perfect place for us to start together. I get a lot of questions about my Jay-Z Swap 350Z on a regular basis because I know that's where most of my audience comes from. So I'm really excited to honestly walk you guys through this process of having a Jay-Z and a 350Z because the first time that I did it, I didn't really know what I was doing, so it's kind of hard for me to answer questions, and I was just trying to figure things out on my own. And my swap was one of the first Jay-Z Swap 350Zs, so there wasn't a lot of information on it. I just had to figure a lot of stuff out. But I'm really excited. This is a very good starting point for both of us. The only difference right now between your engine bay and my engine bay is basically like the fuel lines. That's kind of it. And I mean, I have the wiring harness already, but my fuel lines, I've already got a fuel return line routed, but I'm going to be replacing my fuel lines anyway. So at this point, we're just going to clean some stuff up. We're going to probably make a trip to a fitting shop so that we can buy some more parts for this engine and for all the things and clean everything up. And I'm probably going to paint the engine bay. I also want to do a compression test on my engine while it's on the ground. So that's it. I don't know what else you want from me. If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. And that's it.
You don't know what else we want from you?
What else do you want me to do? I hope you like the garage wrenching stuff. I think it's kind of fun. That's why I literally decided to pull my engine out of a car literally a week after I got the other one in.
Because that's what the people want.
That's what they want.
Take your cars apart.
I think. I'm glad I got good sponsors.
You're welcome.